from this one, right, I'm going to select those PQ pair. This P is Q2, Q is Q0. Okay, the subscript means this 2, 0. Subscript of P means value 2, subscript of Q means this value 0. So we are going to select those pair where the subscript P value is less than subscript Q. So in this case, 2 is greater than 0, hence we are not going to select that one. So which are the eligible candidates are this one, this one, this one, and then this one, this one, this one, then what else? Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one. Got it? From F cross Q minus F, right, we have selected those PQ pair where the subscript of P is less than Q. So I've selected Q2, Q4, Q2, Q7, Q2, Q8, like that, okay? Now what I'm going to do is, wherever I find this pair, right, wait, 1 second. Who is this Rosie? Someone, I don't know. She's just trying to join. I didn't allow.
Ma'am, she's even trying, ma'am. You haven't accepted her request. Riti Agarwal,
Who
ma'am,
is that
she's
person?
trying.
Who is that person?
Ma'am, Riti, she's trying to enter the class, ma'am.
But I didn't receive any request. Now see here. So this Q2, Q4, Q2, Q7, Q2, Q8, right? Wherever I find this, I have to insert cross mark. I have to insert this cross mark. So let me just start filling the matrix. This is Q2, Q4. Let me just go to the matrix. Q2, see here, this is Q2, then Q4. So let me mark cross here. This is P is equal to Q2, then Q is equal to Q4, cross mark here. Okay. Now, next one is Q2, Q7, then Q2, Q8, 27 to 8, 27 to 8. Let me just fill it. 27 to 8. Okay. Next one is 343738, 343738, 343738. The next one is 5758, 5758. Next one is 5758. And next one is 6768, 6768. Okay. Any confusion in this? I guess no doubt in this. Now next one is, we have completed inserting cross mark in this F cross Q minus F. Okay, that's completely inserted. Now let me just rub few things, or shall I doing? Hereafter, I'm not going to allow anyone. Now, next one is, so I have checked for F cross Q minus F. Now, next I'm going to check for Q minus F cross F. So let me move back and then let me bring this. Q minus F cross F. I have completed for this one. Copy. Okay, this one. Okay, here again, the same thing we are going to select. In this case, right, again, I'm going to select that P subscript less than Q like that, okay. So in this case, right, I can select 0 to, got it. In the case, we have selected for F cross Q minus F, that PQ pair, where P subscript is less than Q subscript, and then the same goes for Q minus F cross F. So in this case, right, I'm going to select 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 5, 0, 6. Next, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 6. Next, it's not eligible because the subscript of P is greater than subscript of Q, hence not eligible. So only this much I'm going to select. And then this one also eligible. 4, 5, 4, 6. And then what else? No. Subscript of P should be less than Q. Those we are selecting and then we are inserting cross. So now let me move to the matrix. So I need to insert 0, 2, I need to insert 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 5, 0, 6. 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 5, 0, 6. I need to enter cross. And then next one, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 6. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 6. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 6. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then next one is 4, 5, 4, 6. Next one is 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 6. Okay, these are the cross mark we need to enter. Now, after this, after this is Roman number 1, okay. After this, I'm going to write next one. Roman number 2, this is step number 3, Roman number 1 completed. Step number 3, Roman number 2, find Q minus F cross Q minus F and F cross F. Then select P comma Q from Q minus F cross Q minus F and find R comma S as R is equal to delta P comma A, S is equal to delta Q comma A. Then if R comma S is cross or small letter x, then P comma Q will be x. Okay, and then check SR if RS has a dash. Let me just complete it. Okay, let me just complete it. If P comma Q has a dash, then mark at Q comma P. Then if R comma S is neither cross nor x, then p comma q will be 0. Okay. Now the first one, right, we have already filled this cross. Now next one, right, they're asking us to find this q minus f cross q minus f. So let me bring this q minus f cross q minus f. Let me bring this q minus f cross q minus f. Q minus f cross q minus f. Okay, this we are going to study now. And then what else? Q minus cross f and f cross f. F cross s, let me do it later on. Let me complete with this q minus f cross q minus f. So in this q minus f cross q minus f, right, what are the things we need to do is, I need to find this rs. I need to find this rs. What do we mean by rs and what do we mean by this a and all? Let me tell you. Now, from this q minus f cross q minus f, uh, let me consider this one. Let me consider, it's a little bit lengthy, but once you understand, it's understandable, it's easy to understandable, okay? So this is p comma q is equal to this one, right? Okay, fine. Now let's find r comma s. Now, as per the diagram given to us, the input symbols are a comma b. Okay, as per the diagram given to us, the input symbols are a comma b. Now, I'm going to find r comma s. How to find r comma s for the given pq q naught comma q1? R is equal to delta Q naught comma one of the inputs. In my case, if you want to check for input B, you have to uniformly check only for B. If you're going to check for input A, you have to uniformly use only A. So in my case, I'm going to use this first symbol A. A is equal to, I won't write it. S is equal to delta Q1 comma A. Now, how to find this delta Q naught comma A means we'll go to the diagram. Q naught currently at Q naught with input A. Currently at Q naught with input A. Currently at Q naught with input A is Q1. Okay, is Q1. So it's Q1. Now again, currently at Q1 with input A. Currently at Q1 with input A. Currently at Q1 with input A is Q2. So let me write is equal to Q2. Now RS4 Q0 comma Q1 is equal to Q1 comma Q2. RS for this one is Q1 comma Q2. Now before I move on with this one, right? Morning I have received one doubt. Morning I have received one doubt. Let me just tell you something. I don't know whether it's here send the complete one or not. Shall I post it in the group? I'll post it in the group, okay? I don't know this person. He told me that yesterday when I write this, where is that? F cross F. Where is that F cross F? Yeah, F cross F, right? Many other pairs are being mixed out. One of you, do you have any idea why I have missed those things? Till now, one of you just tell me. If you don't have any idea, yes, I can explain it. In the group, please check it. F cross F, right? As per the, I mean, written format, right? He has given that these are the few things which have been missed out. One of you just unmute your mic and just inform me. As per, I mean, normal F cross F, right? This Q2, Q2, whatever he has mentioned in the group, it has to be there. But things are not there in F cross F, which I have written in this page. So any idea why it's that so? Any idea? What is this? What is this? Just say something. Any idea? Because normally if we do F cross F, more number of other pair will be there. I'm talking about this one. I'm talking about this one. I'm talking about this one. If we find F cross F, if we find F cross F, Q2 comma Q2, then Q2 comma Q3, like that, okay? But instead, Q2 comma Q2 is not there, and many are not there. In the group, I have posted one page. One of you just send me this one in the morning. It is not there. Any idea about this? Any idea? Just whatever it is, just say me. It's fine. I just want to check whether you guys are understanding or not.
Ma'am, from the table also you have deducted that diagonal cells like Q2, Q2. Ma'am,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
were
yeah.
saying,
This
and
dash.
because you were
Yeah.
saying that equivalence classes like below the diagonal also we have deducted because symmetric rules they're showing. So I think diagonals we have deducted because of reflexive property.
Yeah, yeah. Good, good. Any other, if you have confusion, just post me, okay? And then while posing the doubts, please do not write few lines or something. Myself also, once I'm out of this class, right? I don't know, like what guy, what are you talking about? I don't know. So write briefly and ask me, okay? Okay, fine. Thank you for raising this doubt, no? And then one more thing. Uh, this matrix, right? This matrix, right? Uh, few of you, right, they used to make mistake in certain assignment which I used to give to your seniors, right? I don't know from where they got the answer, but they used to start writing from Q8, Q7, Q6, Q5, Q4, Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0, like this, okay? But for my class, please follow this pattern only. For my class, please follow only this pattern. And then one more thing, and then one more thing. And then one more thing, why we are taking this Q minus F, F cross Q minus F, Q minus F cross, any idea? Why we are finding the Cartesian product of such combination? Any idea? Any idea why we are finding the Cartesian product of F cross Q minus F and Q minus F cross F? Any idea? It's a short one, please try it.
Ma'am, because we are checking the relationship between non-final states to final states so that we can deduct the states that are useless.
Non-final state to non-final state. Acceptable. Acceptable. Others, what happened? No one is trying. Okay, fine. Uh, wait. Randomly, let me call you someone. Satyam, Sachin, unmute your mic. Satyam, Sachin, unmute your mic. Satyam, Sachin, unmute your mic. He is not present. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, unmute your mic. Tell me the one small difference between DFA and NFA. Satyam, Sachin. Don't waste my time. Just say pass it on if you don't know. Varipam Mangalsana, unmute your mic. Varipam Mangalsana. Varipam Mangalsana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me difference between deterministic finite automata and non-deterministic finite automata.
And non-deterministic finite automata is easier to design compared to deterministic finite automata.
Okay, I'll
As
just
in,
accept. Okay, I'll just accept. Vishal Jaswal, unmute your mic. Vishal Jaswal, absent. Aravind Reddy, unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Aravind Reddy,
Yes,
define
ma'am.
deterministic. Define what do we mean by deterministic in DFA?
Ma'am, for deterministic, what we have is for one state we can go to only one state. For example, if we give input as 0 or 1, we can define state to only one other state. Whereas in non-deterministic, for 0 we can go to two states, ma'am. That is a diff.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Ras Gupta, unmute your mic. Ras Gupta, unmute your mic. Okay, absent. Nauram
Yeah,
Hamlet.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, Ras Gupta.
Yeah, ma'am.
What do you mean by epsilon transition?
Epsilon transition means without getting any input, we transfer to other states.
Okay, okay.
मतलब-
Next, Niket Kumar Singh, unmute your mic. Niket Kumar Singh, unmute your mic. Okay, absent. Sai Sri. Mota Yaswini Sai Sri, unmute your mic.
ma'am.
Okay. So, what do we mean by regular expression?
Ma'am.
What do we mean by regular expression? Don't search it, okay? Just whatever it comes to your mind, just tell me. I'm just checking you guys are understanding or not.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, fine. Manasana Raskumari,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. What is the need of regular expression? Just define regular expression. What do you mean by whatever comes in your mind, just say it. It's not the Viva or something I'm going to give score. I'm just checking whether you guys are listening to my class or not.
Uh, uh, it is to it is a symbol to denote the language accepted by finite automata.
It is the symbol.
It is an expression to denote language accepted by finite automata.
Okay, partially accepted. Moyangkim Vivan Singh, unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, redefine the regular expression what Mangasana just told right now.
Uh, I was thinking about the same thing actually. It's it's like a form of expression to represent any finite automata or a language of it.
Okay, partially accepted. Nauram Hamlet Singh, unmute your mic. Nauram Hamlet Singh, not present. Riti Agarwal, not present. Subham Kumar Gon.
Yes, ma'am. Riti Agrawal.
Riti Agarwal. Okay, Riti, just just redefine that regular expression what they have just told right now. One
Ma'am,
important part is missing.
ma'am, a regular expression is this can be described as sequence of pattern that defines a string that can be accepted by a finite automata.
Actually, I was expecting algebraic way of expression. Okay, this is the important part.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Subham Kumar gone absent. Somipen.
Subham, ma'am. Subham.
Okay, Subham.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you know about this epsilon closure?
Epsilon closure.
Yeah.
Without any input, we go to the other state.
Okay, a bit. Okay, Soumipem Chamroy. Absent. Siddharth Singh. Absent. Wankim Rakesh Singh. Absent. Whoever I'm calling who are not responding, right? I'm keeping
Yes,
it.
ma'am. Wankim Rakesh.
Wankim Rakesh Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me something about epsilon closure.
Epsilon closure.
Don't search, okay? Whatever comes to your mind, just say it. Okay, it's not an official vibe or something. I'm just checking whether you're listening or not. Okay, I'll just pass it. Siddharth Sinam. Siddharth Sinam absent.